We just had a big old thunderstorm. I threw that chatterbait around a little while last night for like an hour and a half and didn't get anything on it. Big ones bite late at night.
Oh, I didn't know he was out here. I wanted my...
You what?
I wanted my mop.
Don't. Why is she flashing my YouTube channel?
Oh, shit. I didn't know it.
Anyways, I'm about to go out fishing while it's drizzling. It just rained really hard, but now it's like real light.
That was not a flash.
It was almost a flash.
Oh, there's my lighter I lost.
So I want to get some more practice with this baitcaster. I'll probably get away with throwing a moving bait right now, but I don't feel like retying, so I'm gonna throw this worm around. It's all messed up, but I got it on a weighted hook with another weight because I'm not too good at throwing light lures on this baitcaster yet. So I'm trying to get some weight to it. So yeah, let's see if anything wants to eat my worm. All right, y'all, it's raining pretty hard. I put my chatterbait back on, the one that's been catching me fish at night. I've never had any luck with any kind of like moving baits here during the day, but maybe since it's raining, they'll be acting different. Let's see. I'm gonna put a different trailer on here. This is a little OD for daytime. All right, I put a Yoda worm on here. It's still kind of big, but like barely any action, so that last crawl was huge. There's one. A little one. Little guy. Finally got a chatterbait fish during the day. Oh, he's been caught before. Finally caught a chatterbait fish during the day. Little guy. It's raining, so I thought they'd be tearing this thing up, but he's the only one I've gotten so far in like an hour. Here we go, chatterbait. Still a healthy fish. Thank you, sir, for eating my chatterbait. I hope you could see that on the GoPro. I think my hand was like blocking it. It is friggin' raining. Oh my god. Raining. Oh. There's one. Yes! Fish aren't scared of the water. I mean, fish are not scared of the rain. They're already wet. Oh, crap. Oh. Rainfish. It's friggin' pouring.
Okay, raining so hard. Trying to find my daughter. Where is she? Where do you have her? Right there she is. In the downpour. Don't even care. She's still fishing. Crazy. Glad I'm not crazy. She's crazy. I found her because she has hot pink one over there.
Alright, I got friggin' poured on during that last fish. That was some serious rain. But I'm already soaked, so I'm gonna go back out there. I know top water is pretty good for this rain, especially it's not raining super hard right now, but I really want to work on my chatterbait confidence. I've caught fish at nighttime the past 2 weeks with one, but not during the day, so I just caught 2. So I'm gonna go back out there and see if I can get another one. I've got, like, I don't know, a plopper with trebles doesn't require as much skill to me. I need to work on the single hooked moving baits. That's what I need to work on. So I'm gonna take this chatterbait back out there with the Yodo worm on it and see if I can get another one. That was fun, but the rain slowed down. So this rain actually feels amazing because it's been over 100 degrees for 2 weeks. This is like cold rain, so the fishing will probably be really good tonight, and I have to go home today. I work tomorrow. Thing isn't vibrating. Why? I'm gonna have to look up this chatterbait blade because I think something's wrong with it. It's only vibrating like half the time. Not vibrating right now. Crap. Got one. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a nicer one. By the fountain. Guys, this is a nicer fish. This is a nicer fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Don't get off. Don't get off. Oh my God. Yes. Look at him. Crap. Look at this fish! Next to the fountain on the chatterbait. Holy crap. Friggin' pouring out on the chatterbait again. Not as big as the other night, but that's a big fish. Chatterbait, baby. Let him go. Look at that fish! Thank you, sir, for eating my chatterbait. Oh. That's a nice fish. Are you ready? Are you ready? There's a fish, 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 it's a nicer one. They're munching in the rain. Jeez. They are munching out in this rain. Killing this friggin' chatterbait. My confidence with these went from 0 to 100 in like a week. Alright, let's let you go, buddy. You wanted that Yodo worm, bro. Wanted this Yodo worm, chatterbait. There we go. There we go. Another nice one. Thank you, sir. Oh. Tell me when you're ready. He's ready. Oh, yes. Of course, when I put the camera off of me, I don't catch any fish. And guess what I caught? The fountain. Crap. Not coming off. No. I'm gonna take the boat out and get the... It is so stuck. I don't want to leave all this line in the water. I think I'm gonna have to get on the boat and go get it. It's way out there. All right, well, I was trying to cast next to the fountain and I casted on the fountain and now I'm stuck. I don't care about the chatterbait, but that's a lot of line to leave in the water. I can't do it, so stay tuned. All right, unfortunately I had to cut the line. We couldn't find a worker to rent the boat out, so I had to go home tonight. My mom is gonna take the boat out tomorrow with her friend and go try to get the chatterbait off the fountain. I don't care about the chatterbait, but all this line is in the water now. I feel horrible, but it should be fine just tonight.